Doom, tak, 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 doom, doom, tak. Why that? Because CHIFTETELLI is sometimes and commonly used in the tekasim. When one solo instrument is playing, like accordion or like ney, the flute, and the dancer is dancing to the melody, yes, to the melody that the accordion creates or the instrument creates, and the drum solo just played CHIFTETELLI to catch the melody, to catch the rhythm, and to make the tune, like the tune. Ta-ra-ra, ta-ta, ta-ta, ta, ta-ra-ra, ta-ta, 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 ta. And now the second combination. Here we also will ignore the accent. If you're working with the musician, with the drummer, with the maestro of tabla solo or the drum playing, it is very useful for you to catch with your eyes how they are playing with their palms and fingers. Ta, ra, ta, 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 ta. Again. 1, 2, 3, up a little bit, cross, cross, up a little bit, again. And when you hear the folklore rhythm in Raqs Sharqi, of course, you are using the main steps of the folklore. For example, if it is Khalegee Saudi, you are using your hair and your steps of the Khalegee dance.